Yep, it is really snowing. Look at that. And there's 5 feet of snow on the ground. That's the sidewalk. Excuse all that. Those are my brother's cars. That little bump in between the 2 tree branches is the mailbox. And look at the snow coming down. There's already about 5 inches on the ground. And it's only 9:30 in the morning. And it's supposed to snow all day. Let's see what the backyard looks like. There's the cat sleeping. Let's see. I'm gonna move the drapes. Yeah, but it's the backyard. There was nothing on the deck last night. It had totally melted. And now we got 5 inches. It's snowing, as you can see. I really hope that the plane will take off tomorrow and that the airport will be open.